Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of x plus 1. So we put the square for the both sides because I want to cancel the square root. So we have s and s. So we put number 1 go to the left. So we have u square minus 1 equals to s. So we put this one to replace for s and s in here. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 2u du equals to the s. About s, we change for this one. The square root we change for u. The s we change for this one. This one is about negative number 1 with positive number 2. We have positive number 1. Number 2 we put outside. And now u multiplied by u, 1 and u square. Next, we need to add u in here. Later that we need to minus u. This one u square, we need to add number 1. Later that we need to minus number 1. Because I want to create the factor to divide by this one. So this one in here, we have u multiplied by u square plus 1. This one similar. Negative u, we have negative 2u. Minus 1 we put in here. And now we have this one divided by this one, and this one divided by this one. So we have u plus 1 minus 2u over u square plus 1 minus 1 over u square plus 1. And now we can get the final answer. About u, we have u square over 2. About number 1, we have u. About this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u square plus 1. About this one, we have arctan of u. Next, about u, that is about this one. This one we can put about s plus 1. This one we have s plus 1, so 1 plus 1 is about 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.